Hi everyone, I'm Dr. S. Amuda, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept Introduction to Data Science. The data science is a big forum. It's supporting a multidisciplinary area. They have it is the main definition of that word data science to collect the data. Based on the data, we have to analyze. Depends on that, we have to apply an algorithm to take a decision making or prediction. This is the main part of the data science. The data science, it is a finding the pattern of in the data set, and also we have to analyze to the future prediction. The two possible way to predict or decision making. How the data science it's help to the companies. It is the data science forum. It's supporting multiple companies for to decision making and prediction and pattern discovers. For example, disease prediction, weather prediction, and student performance calculation analysis, and also it's supporting healthcare appliances and manufacture companies. It is supporting multiple disciplinary areas. And how the leverage data science, it is supporting a better decisions. And the data analysis, we have to choose a or B. They have two things, and it is also supporting a different way. And the second part is a predictive analysis. The forecast feature trends outcomes. It is based on the data, and it is enabling the procreative strategies. It is following a different kind of strategies for the data collection. For example, real-time analysis and also a synthetic data. The suppose the synthetic data means the online data sets are available. It is a predefined data set is used for the data gathering. Based on the data gathering, we have to analyze, applying the algorithm, and possible to predict or decision making. Suppose if you that real time data set means, if you for example selecting the healthcare appliances, healthcare applications, going to the hospital in real time, we have to collect the data about a patient, that is gathering a patient information. It is like either a data format, it is a text format or image format. It depends on that, we have to analyze and we have to predict it. And then pattern discovers, it is uncover the hidden informations pattern in a data. It is revealing a new insight. For example, say the website data have a unstructured data. They have three kind of data is available: structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. For if you that structured data means, they have predefined data is available. They have a data type and field name is available. Based on that, we have to inserting a data. For example, integer type of field means, so it is only accepting the integer values. It is unstructured data means there is no specified the structured format. It is at the time of process only we have to find the structure of a data. And the semi-structured data means the combination of the above two types. It is structured and unstructured data. If that based on that we have to pattern, it is possible to creating a new kind of data. Next one is the global impact of data science. The first one is the finance. It is the risk management and investigation strategies. In a finance sector, they using big data science. For example, the ATM transaction log files and NEFT transfer log files. There is a bank file. Those kind of that finance transaction analysis and advisory service. It is related to that healthcare. To get a patient details, based on that they give a suggestion for a medicine. And medical care, it is a diagnostic and treatment outcomes. And production, it is the companies, they predict the production of the product for future prediction. Data science need, the data science need a multiple areas. The first one is election prediction. It is predicting the election outcome of that future. And revenue forecasting, for example, one company with the help of that data science techniques, we have to predict a future profit or loss. And health analysis analyze training benefits for collecting that patient details to predict the information. And predictive analysis for transportation delays. And then route optimization, discover the optimal shipping routes. For it is predicting the best path route. Also it's identify and delivery timing. That is for it is starting from your source to destination. We have to identify or predict the estimation time. For simple example is Ola or Uber, those kind of application. If you set that if you once placed, they automatically deduct the total time of the traveling to analyze about the traffic. It's a mind map. They go all these data, what is data science and global impact of data science, and also the application. This also related with your design thinking, that is empathize the customer point of view to identify the user needs and define to identify the problem, and clearly you define and give a solution and idea to create a different kind of methodology to predict or decision making. The prototype is a with the help of a algorithm to create a simulation and test the particular application is executed it correct or not, the user to give a sample data and identify the user expectation is completed or not. Thank you.